Today I'm in Galmington to show you this fantastic 1930s semi-detached house. This property is a stone's throw to Musgrove, fantastic for anyone working in the hospital, and it comprises of 2 fantastic large reception rooms, 3 double bedrooms, a utility, a garage, driveway parking, and a fantastically sized garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you'd be interested in booking a viewing on this fantastic property, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your own home, please get in touch.